everybody. Today I will show you 30 ways to play a 2-5-1 on the piano. So let's begin. Number 1, the naked chord. We only play the guide notes 3 and 7 in the right hand. So for D minor we play only the 7 and the 3rd. And for G we play the 3rd and the 7 and so on. And it sounds like this. Of course we could invert it. Let's move on. Number 2, let's add some color. Let's add a 3rd note to the right hand. We add the 9 to the D minor chord. This is the E, and this will be the 13 in the G7 chord. It sounds like this. Let's move on. Number 3, we add even more color. Let's have a 4-note voicing in the right hand, and we add the 5th to our D minor chord, the A, and this will be the 9 in the G7 chord. Number 4, let's alter the dominant 7 chord and flatten the 9. Number 5, let's bring back the 13th in the dominant 7 chord, together with the flat 9. Number 6, let's alter the 13, and so we have 2 altered tension notes, the flat 9 and the flat 13 in the G7 chord. Number 7, let's use the sharp 9, so the augmented 9 instead of the flat 9 in the dominant 7 chord. Number 8, let's use a tritone substitution for our dominant 7 chord, and let's use the tritone in the bass. So instead of G we play D flat, and we keep the voicing that we played in number 7 in the right hand. Number 9, let's stick with the tritone substitution for our dominant, and let's alter this chord and use an augmented 11. Number 10, another variation. Let's also play the tritone substitution for the dominant 7, and let's play a flattened 9 here. Number 11, now let's play some open voicings, open 4-note voicings, and every hand plays 2 voices. Number 12, let's add a 3rd voice to our right hand. Number 13, just like number 12, but we use an altered dominant 7 chord. Number 14, this is a different way to play open voicings. Number 15, same as before, but with an additional 3rd voice in the right hand. Number 16, the same as before, but an altered dominant 7 chord. Number 17, drop 2 voicings. These voicings can be built from a rootless 4-note voicing if you drop the second highest voice an octave down. So it would sound like this. Number 18, another way to play a drop 2 voicing, just a different inversion. Number 19, another way to play drop 2 voicings with an altered dominant 7 chord. Number 20, still a drop 2 voicing with an altered dominant 7 chord. Number 21, upper structure triads. Basically we use different major, sometimes minor chords, triads in the right hand over the bass note. Number 22, another way to use upper structure triads. Number 23, yet another way to use upper structure triads. Number 24, a last example with upper structure triads. Number 25, we can use quartal voicings. Number 26, quartal voicings again. Number 27, altered quartal voicings. Number 28, another way to alter quartal voicings. Number 29, we could majorize the 2 chord. Number 30, we can majorize the 2 chord and alter it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.